All right, we're back out here at Denmark Drone Park. We quote unquote should have the continuous rotation problem fixed with the developer HP already set out there. Have World's Eye View on the Legion Go set up with the MLRS telemetry radio. As I mentioned in the last video, I needed to go into the parameters actually through this RadioMaster Boxer, where you could access the parameter through Mission Planner. The parameter just doesn't save and take effect. As I checked a couple times, once at the office, it seemed like it did take effect. Once out here, verified it did not take effect. I verified back at the office. In Mission Planner, the parameter change took effect after changing it here via the RadioMaster Boxer. So in theory, we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go back to the app here, go full screen in World's Eye View, open up the iVue RoboControl app, and we are going to connect via the STM32 radio. We have a connection to 17 satellites. Don't have quite a fully charged battery, but more than enough for the flight testing we'll be doing today. And let's go ahead and just fly drone, arm and fly, and launch. All right. And so now I'm going to activate the joysticks or gamepad, the game controllers built into the Legion Go, which again I think is really nice. And now I'm just going to verify also via the gamepad. Developer HP responds to my inputs just as it should. Forward, back, left, right, up, down, nice and smoothly. All right, well, I think that's really all we needed to get out of this test flight. As you can see, this developer HP is responding as it should. It's already been set up and configured with the proper parameters after that radio parameter has been properly set. But I guess now it's photo op time. So if you want to swing it back by here, we'll close out the video. And then I guess for context, this is our first Develop Air ever sold to a customer straight through our website, where there's no interaction with me or anyone on our team previously. All 37 Develop Air that we had previously sold, while we did sell one through the website previously, had already had interactions with me. I had done a demo with that customer a couple years back. So in any case, thought it'd be a great opportunity to go ahead and get a photo op with this latest Develop Air going out the door. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, or feel free to reach out directly. Otherwise, you'll catch us in the next video. Peace.